Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. I hope that you have done your previous homework regarding creative sentences. While our today's target is to do before you read on page number 17, and then we would read page number 18 and 19, and lastly we would do comprehension on page number 20. Moving forward, I want you to be on page number 17. My dear students, there are certain techniques for reading as well. Just as in the previous chapter, we learnt about different purposes of the author behind writing a piece of paper. In today's lecture, we will learn about what do good readers do while reading. First of all, they monitor. Now the question arises that how do they monitor? Basically, whenever they read a sentence, they monitor it that whether they understood it or not. If they understand it, then they move forward and read the next sentence. And in case if they don't understand that particular sentence, they read it again. And they read it again for better clarification. On the other hand, they also look for clues. Clues means like they look for pictures, charts and diagrams which are drawn at the sides of the article or a story. Moving forward, we have to read page number 18 and 19. So basically this is an article. In this article you will learn about India, tigers and a man who helped save tigers. Part of the article is biographical. A biography gives information and facts about a person. As you read, monitor your understanding of the article. So basically on page number 18, at the top you will learn about the habitat of tigers which was being destroyed by human beings, and at the end of the same page you will learn about man eaters, tigers as man eaters. On page number 19 you will learn about Jim Corbett, who was basically a hunter and a tracker, but with the passage of time he became a naturalist and he saved many tigers. So this is the whole article, and before reading it, listen to the instructions carefully. What you are going to do that you would play the audio which is available down below this video. You have to prove yourself to be an attentive reader while reading this article. Also, during listening the audio, you would have to read it along with the speaker. Whatever the speaker is saying, you would read it along from your book as well. And then find the words of exercise E of page number 17 while reading the article. You would have to find those words while reading and encircle them. Before reading this article, I am telling you your homework. You have to write a short summary of the article. Secondly, search and write the meaning of the words given in exercise E of page number 17 from glossary. The words which you would encircle, you would have to find their meaning from the glossary which is given at the end of your books. And then you have to do exercise A of page number 20 on notebook, that are question and answers. And then you have to do exercise B and C on book. Remember, you would have to do the exercises on book with pencil, and you would cross check your answers with the solution available in the same web page. So my dear students, it's the time to work hard. As this quote says, work hard in silence, let success make the noise. Thank you.